Hey San Francisco, it's time for your February market update. The 2026 real estate market is really heating up, so if you're a homeowner or a potential buyer, listen on. Hi, I'm Tony Knott, realtor with Compass here in San Francisco. I've been helping people sell and buy homes right here in the city for the last 10 years. Here are the latest stats that you need to know if you're buying or selling in San Francisco this year. All right, let's start with some citywide statistics. At the time of this video, there were 506 new listings in January of this year, which is down 22.4% from January of 2025. 281 properties went under contract in January, also down 5.7% year over year. 201 homes sold last month, which was down 23.3%. When we compared January 2026 to January of 2025, the median sales price was $1.25 million, exactly the same. And finally, days on the market was 74 days. That's up slightly from 73 days during the same time period last year. Okay, now let's look at single-family residences. In January of this year, we had 173 new listings hit the market for single-family residences. That's down about 23% from last year. 104 homes went under contract, which was down about 18% from last year, and 75 single-family homes sold in January, down almost 40% from last year. And last month, the median sales price for single-family homes here in the city was $1,653,325. What's surprising is that is actually up 16.2% from January 2025, with a days on the market of 34 days, which is down 29.2% from 48 days during the same time period last year. So what does that mean? Those last two numbers are really eye-opening and frankly the most important. Single-family homes are by far the most competitive segment in San Francisco right now. When something desirable hits the market, it moves especially quickly. And I've seen scenarios lately where turnkey properties in great neighborhoods have received upwards of 20 offers and sell for hundreds of thousands of dollars over the list price. Okay, let's look at condos and TICs now. In January of this year, there were 326 new listings, which is down 20.9% from last year. 174 condo listings went under contract in January, which is up 4.2% from last year. And last month, 120 condos sold. That's down 10.4% year over year from last year. Last month, the median sales price for condos was $999,000. That's up just slightly under 1% from January of 2025. And the days on the market was 99 days, also up about 3% during the same time period last year. So what do these condo numbers mean? Generally speaking, the condo market is starting to bounce back from a lackluster last few years. And with interest rates recently dipping to their lowest levels in 3 years, we're starting to see a lot of renewed activity from first-time home buyers. We've seen a lot of new mortgage origination starts happening in the last 3 weeks to a month. So we have a lot of buyers, and especially first-time home buyers, who've been sitting on the sidelines the last couple of years, starting to enter the market. All right, that's your February 2026 update. Keep in mind that these are just citywide averages. They don't take into account market nuances because they average out all the variables such as location, condition, and the type of homes that are being sold. If you're thinking of selling, give me a call for a more accurate evaluation of your home and neighborhood statistics. And if you're buying, call me and I'd be happy to guide you towards homes that meet your criteria and your price point. The San Francisco market is dynamic and it varies significantly by neighborhood. With shifts in the market, it's really important to have an experienced realtor to help guide you through your next move in real estate. So call me today and let's get you going.